At least we are making progress.
Yeah.
Yes, we are making progress. We have to be very serious with our work.
Yes.
Hold on. Have fun. Well done. Anything for us. Just anyone with they just bring me they go. Nothing. The guys.
I'm not greet you well.
Have fun.
How you
Just.
just, sir, you know, I don't need pass here. And they come, I want your reach front there.
You know what? If you go, you know, go come back. Now you get your life. My brother, many people don't go, they never come. Many people don't go, they don't come back.
Officer, I just newly married, sef.
You don't even marry, sef. And I go just dey enjoy. Where the drink, where the rice them for wedding. And I go just live. We'll be friends now.
Officer, if you sweet at the past, you know, my wife just, imagine you just married. I thought they see small issue for house. You know, believe say my wife, the wedding gown where she hire, say the woman wey hire the wedding gown give her, say he leave $2,000 inside.
What?
How and the wedding gown not get pocket? How $2,000? Say this and I the woman the corner say, may they refund the 2,000. And now 2,000 we hire been a wedding gown. I will tell my wife, you want hire wedding gown, you no go check the pocket. My wife say pocket not dey. But the woman say you get the way the wedding gown be like net, say he hang the dollar for inside the wedding gown. I say wedding gown they get hanger. Okay, hanger where they take hang the money, not be even rubber hanger, na iron hanger. So now I call tell my wife, say, okay, if they pull hanger, they pull box because me now there I put my boxer too. I hang my boxer near the hanger, we see they pull. So the woman wey come cut our light for yesterday say if anybody want come pack dirty.
Which one you dey wait now? Wait. I just say make you give me small thing. You say make you go, come back. I say okay, fine. Say you don't marry. I say congratulations. You begin say gown, dollars, hang, boxers. Why you dey confuse me? I dey duty post now. You go cause hold up here now. You don't understand wetin this guy dey tell me.
Na the matter dey talk. So the woman wey die my wife hair because they die my wife hair for the marriage. So the woman wey die my wife hair say the color wey he use, he not like the color. Say we will go redo the traditional marriage. So for the traditional marriage we wan redo now because I got gather the whole village people. Now the one like my wife, so I call the go round, they beg everybody come my traditional marriage. Come the marriage wey we do last time. The woman wey make up my wife say he not like the hair wey he do for my wife. Una cause okay. How would so the satellite wey they put?
No be juju be that.
Our marriage. See. She say now when you come back you find me something.
Yes,
yeah, they go.
Officer,
clear the road for him.
Officer, you know even man tell you what I want.
Clear the road for him. Clear everywhere.
Officer, wait.
No, go, my brother. Before hold up.
The other guy will start.
My man, just go inside. Enter here. Enter, make you no miss what you they go for now. Make you no go miss two sides.
So they want to
my brother drive.
They want to paint it for the.
My enter your car.
So I want tell you what.
Safe journey. On your car, make go.
So you know they I don't understand.
No, you need to meet your event so that you go come back early now. Just go.
So if my wife
Oga they go.
If my wife in case as I dey go now say my wife come tell you say any socket because some people they connect
they go now. My wife say they person go get headache. This one who don't get to use and buy Panadol. May you go and never come back.